Reinventing the vacuum cleaner has been an obsession of mine for the past 17 years. It began with Cyclone technology. For me, the fundamental answer to loss of suction. Next, we eliminated bags. Then came our ball. There really had to be another way to push a vacuum around the home. Our mission is simple. Solve the obvious problems, whatever it takes.
This Dyson cord-free format transforms the way you clean. With a light but powerful Dyson digital motor, it adapts easily to tackle jobs here, pretty much anywhere, in just a few simple clicks. The new DC41 does have one major disadvantage. It uses Dyson's latest and most advanced root cyclone technology. So you may find you have to empty the bin more often. Sorry. The new DC41. No loss of suction, not even a tiddly bit.